Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to allocate more RAM on Roblox for better FPS and smoother gameplay, so let's get started. First, click on the Start button and type Task Manager in the search bar, then press Enter to open it. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Details tab at the top. Now use the search bar or scroll down and find Roblox exe. Once you find the Roblox process, right-click on it and select Set Priority. After that, choose the real-time option from the list and click on Change Priority to confirm the changes. By setting Roblox priority to real-time, Windows will give more system resources and RAM priority to Roblox, which can help improve FPS and reduce lag during gameplay. Make sure you don't open too many background applications while playing because they can still use your RAM and affect performance. After doing these steps, close Task Manager and continue playing Roblox with smoother performance and better FPS. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.